Welcome back to another broker comparison video. Will anyone top EnviFX? After quite a few times with these videos, it topping on the smallest of margins. Now, thank you very much for the people that commented down below for Blaze Markets. That is the comparison we're doing today. Don't forget to comment down below with the broker you want me to do next. Now, before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right now, straight into it, we're going to go through EnviFX, the winner of the previous videos we have been doing. So I am going to go over it again for any new visitors to the channel. So straight away, what we see is regulated, licensed, and secure. I always say in all my videos, this is paramount and so important to any broker you choose. Obviously, these are my opinions. You may have a different opinion. You may enjoy another broker's interface or the way they work or how you can do it that meets your trading criteria. But definitely always make sure they are regulated, licensed, and it's a secure platform. Okay, as we go down, another important thing to remember in any financial markets is your spreads. Okay, so as you can see here, they have super tight spreads and they cover a lot of the financial markets. You've got your Forex majors, your crosses, your exotics. You've then got your indices, energies, cryptos, EU shares, US shares, and also your metals for your gold traders out there. Now, if you don't know what spreads are, I'll break it down for you nice and simple. When you enter a trade on the Forex market, depending on the spread is where your entry will be placed. So if your spread is 1, it will be placed 1 point above where you wanted to enter, or 1 point below, depending on a buy or sell. Okay, so account funding. Now with EnviFX, they do offer 2 different processes. So you can either do crypto, which is very common with all the brokers. You can withdraw to crypto and deposit. But what these do that I do like is that you can do a debit or credit card or even a bank deposit as well. So if you don't have crypto or crypto confuses you or you have no idea how to do crypto, because it can be quite difficult. And if you send it to the wrong wallet address, that's your funds lost forever. Okay, so you can withdraw back to your bank as well. So you can keep it totally off the crypto network. And some of the other reasons why I'm always very selective with EnviFX is that they do the market expertise. Okay, so you get your EAs, you get your market insights and your analyst tools all in this one account. You just sign up, verify your identity, and everything is unlocked. There's no different account types. There's no different account levels where you have to deposit more money to unlock more. Everything is involved. You also get passive income. If you're an influencer with a high social media channel, you can join their affiliate program and gain money back with everyone you bring into EnviFX. They've also got revolutionary technology. So it's one trading platform, like I said, with multiple opportunities for you to learn and for you to grow with this channel. You also get the trust, which is offer traders the safest trading environment around. Now, also with EnviFX, what I do like about them is they offer MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So if that's available in your country, you can still head on over. You can still use your favorite platform. Or if it's not available, don't worry, because they have a web trader, which basically is such a clean interface. So if I ever travel to like America, for example, and I want to continue my Forex trading, I can just log on to their web trader and I can do every trade, get every benefit that they offer with their web trader. Their support also is second to none. They're so clean. They answer very quickly. If you click on support, it gives their email address. Once you've logged in, you do get the access to live chat, etc. Now, if we were to head on over to our current competitor, shall we say, and the one that's coming up against the comparison is Blaze Markets. I personally haven't heard of Blaze Markets before, but that doesn't mean they're not good. We're going to go through them now, go through their homepage and see what they have to offer. Okay, so we can see straight off the bat that it trades Forex and cryptos and the most popular markets. Okay, so we're going to go down. They're also saying they have razor thin spreads from 0.0 pips. Now, from previous videos and previous research, when they offer 0.0 pips, normally you have to deposit a lot more money to access the very low spreads. But we'll see. I won't jump to any conclusions. Okay, so we can see that they trade over 120 trading instruments across Forex, CFDs, and crypto. And lightning speed execution with razor thin spreads. Like we said, they've got leverage up to 1 to 200. You can deposit and withdraw in crypto or fiat, and execution speeds in under 30 milliseconds, which is very fast. Okay, so again, like I said in the previous video, nice and easy 3-step process. You register, you fund, and then you can trade. Okay, so yeah, I was correct. So with your standard, which is $100 minimum deposit, you get spreads from 1 pip. 1 to 200 leverage, 0 commission, Forex, metals and indices, and the market execution. Now, if you wanted to trade crypto and you want to get that lower spread, you do pay a hefty per lot commission of $4. So for example, if you're doing a 10 lot trade, you would have to pay $40 just to execute that trade. Whether you win or lose, it will always take $40 off of your balance. So always make sure, if you do go for someone that offers commission, to adjust your risk tolerance to allow for the commission. Okay, so as we go down, you can trade with the world's most popular platform, which is MetaTrader. So it looks like they only offer MetaTrader as well. So this wouldn't be available in the countries that actually have banned MetaTrader. But obviously, if you're not in any of those countries, then this still could be a viable option for you. Okay, so the payment offers they do accept is Tether, USD Coin, Ethereum. I think I saw a bank transfer on there as well. So let's just double click on here. We'll just click on payment method just to make sure that they do offer exactly what we thought. Okay, yeah, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, wire transfer, and credit card. So that's obviously a very good option. You've got Visa, bank transfer, and Tether. Right, now that was your comparison video today, EnviFX versus Blaze markets. Let me know down in the comments your opinion and whether you agree with my assessment. Now for me, EnviFX takes it again. I honestly believe the commission, brokers that offer that commission for the lowest spreads, I'm not a fan. You may prefer that and don't like the spreads, but I personally have worked out the spreads for myself, and I feel like that's better because you don't get any nasty surprises at the end of a winning trade or even a losing trade. But personally, that's obviously for me. Also, I'm not a big fan of you have to deposit X amount to receive the lower spreads. But like I said, that's totally down to me and that's my opinion. But let me know down in the comments. I obviously read all of your comments and take that into account in my next video. But do comment below the next broker you want me to do, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.